Welcome back to my channel, everybody. I'm Ace and today I'm playing some more Far Cry 3. I'm playing Far Cry again because somebody commented that he would like to see more content about this game, and I will do it because this game is fun. I like to play it too, and it's a really nice game. The story is good, graphics are amazing, and the gameplay, you can play it pretty good because it's well optimized. So okay, it's a bit old, but I will get to these newer games soon. So I have to meet a guy named Buck. So let's find the entrance. Where is it? Whoa, okay. So I talked to a guy named Buck. He was here in there somewhere, and he told me that I have to bring him a knife. Really nice knife, but he knows where my friend Keith is. He's the last friend I have to find, I think, and then we can leave this island. So yeah, finding a knife. That's it. So I will be back when I get to that point there somewhere. See you soon. A little update. I tried to get to this place and I managed to blow out my car somehow between that palm and hill. So yes, my driving experiences are the best, as you can see. Yes, see you soon. So I managed to get the jet ski and I have to get on that boat. I don't know how is that boat supposed to help me with finding of that knife, but okay, if the game says so. Please no sharks, please no sharks, please no sharks. Up fast. Okay, nobody sees me. Okay, please, I could make this work stealth.
Get a grip. You're just looking. Start searching.
Please, take down. He's dead.
All clear for now. Probably rebels messing with our heads.
Yeah, messing with your head maybe. Let me see. Here's one guy. One down. Few more to go. Next, please. Pretty please. So that's dead. I will kill this guy. Whoa, somebody almost saw me.
Get a grip. You're just looking.
Anybody here? Whoa, that's an armored
Must be some rebels screwing with us.
guy. That's nobody saw me.
Nothing to worry about.
Yeah, nothing to worry about. I'm killing every single one. Does he like bombs? Maybe. Let me see. How?
Who the fuck did that? Please for the chopping block.
Yeah, Knife, huh? Knife against rifle. That's smart one. Smart one. Really, really smart one.
Let's see what's up.
Yeah, let's see what's up.
Oh my god!
That sword guy. Whoa. How did you get here? Okay. Whoa, not a pistol. Not this.
Take cover! It's mine!
Burn. Oh, you're so hot now. Of course. Let's get in here. Today I wanted to talk about my voice. I know my voice is kind of weird, and at this moment I can't entertain anybody probably, but that's because I'm shy. A really shy person. And after I get rid of my shyness... What are you trying? Okay. So it will get better for sure. So then I can't disable the alarm. That's bad. Really bad. No shoot, no shoot. Stay down, mister.
I'm gonna carve you up!
Knives. Knives just don't work against rifles. Who is doing what? Please die. Thank you. Whoa, I'm betting aiming even worse than you are. But okay. Whoa, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad. That is a armored guy which doesn't like me. I don't know why I... Okay, bad idea, bad idea.
This one's mine!
Can you burn down, please? Okay, he dead. He dead. He dead. That's bad. No, that's good. But he dead. Let me see the laptop.
I bet the location of that knife's on this computer.
Yes, it probably is, but you don't know. You will see.
Here it is. That compass must be important. Maybe it'll lead to the knife.
Compass, huh?
Hurry up, you piece of crap! Are you kidding me?
Whoa, that probably hurt. Shit. Come on, Jason. Jason. No, come back. No, it was Jack on Titanic. But Jason, come back. Oh, this guy is dead. Okay. Swim fast, swim. Oxygen, 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 oxygen. I need that. I really, really need that. Where was I going? Here. Yeah, has arrived.
Gotta get out of here.
No copyright music. Oh yeah, and you didn't see that dog with that bug guy because there was some music in the background. It would be pretty bad if it was one of the copyright musics. So yes. Whoa. Water, huh? Probably bad. So I will see you soon as I get out of the... Whoa. As soon as I get out of that ship. Bye. So I'm on the surface, and this is that bug guy, and I would really like to kill him, but
Oh, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, mate.
the game
Get the
doesn't
fuck
allow
up.
me.
Come on.
He's
There
just
you
a
go.
regular piece of shit.
Find my prize yet?
It wasn't on the boat.
Oh, Jason. Keith is going to be very disappointed. He looked uncomfortable.
Shut
last
up,
time.
mate.
Why are you telling me this?
Entertainment, my dear, entertainment. Did you happen to find a
So
compass?
soon I will end this episode of Far Cry 3.
Now, research says follow the compass
Thanks for your help.
anytime.
And
You can handle being on your own.
if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Right?
Please, if you like my channel, subscribe. There will be more videos like this. Probably I will start with vlogs when I get enough subscribers, but for now that's it. I have few games in mind that I would like to record, and I probably will. So that's all for this episode of Far Cry 3. If you like this episode, please leave a like. Subscribe if you liked it. Comment it. What game would you like to see next, or if you would like to see more Far Cry 3. And that's mostly it. And a massive thank you to all of you that are helping me to raise this channel, because I uploaded just 2 videos and I already have 14 subscribers, and that's for me is a massive, really massive number. Thank you everybody, and see you in the next episode of Anything You Want. See you soon. Bye.